Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chosen?
I do like her.
I got a bitch high every time that I post. Damn. The party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch high every time that I post. Damn, so I really be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. See, I'm the baddest in the bag. Nigga might say it.
Is that like you come for something? Oh, no, I don't think so. I don't think it's for anything. No, who can't do nothing? The part is moving back and forth.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I'll give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
Why is just a brand like a clone?
You can only compare because this is a cheese curry.
Oh, you're perfect. You don't like these ones?
Oh no, I like cheese, but I don't know if this is cheese or not, so I can't really compare.
I want to we're going to say how much. Road bud.
I see that's right.
Picture?
Yeah, do that. I have to see the email. Believe me. By the road.
One more lift here, daddy. One couple that right here, so. Watch him out, that's where people see.
What is that?
Look for MJ neck. MJ! MJ! Bro, your man neck actually got so soup. Don't in a game. Like, why want Eddie lick me a while ago? MJ, it was a soup party. MJ, stop your head heavy.
Your head too big. Get this on camera. Get this on camera. I want all the authority to see how this just assaulted me for no reason.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
We finally reach our destination. Got juice.
Have juice.
Daddy, why eyes them have all in eye?
God, we have here.
Alright, so I want time just because I literally carry one thing. Maybe get me one single dress. What if we carry what we are going to change over there?
I don't know.
Yep. Oh my God, I make baby a struggle. Let me help you. Give me one. Guys, like me do not business. Me always want to go for one of them. Like, me not care. Like, me really serious about this. Like, me willingly, literally, we just come to go for. This man thought me seriously want to go for it. My beach looks so small, I don't. I attract too much. Do I need? MJ, yeah, go over this with me, down. Where? Over them, please. Yeah. You have to climb on the rock to actually pass.
Yeah, me and guys, I'll see me as some water. I'm not going in that water until I'm used to the cold.
Do I need? Because you're not dive off in the water random. I really want to go over this, so there was something I thought. But like, this is my biggest dream. I don't care, like, me would go over this right now just to go on that. But seaweed on the bottom of my business. But is the ship gone? Before we come, a big ship did actually out here, so. What I didn't know?
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
Wait for me, please. Rough me up. Run your I know. I wait for Judah. Judah, come. Come, Ramsey. You can't literally walk, leave me. Like, no, me no. Alright, at least you want that clear. You can't see what in there. Stop. Let go off of me. Oh, me feel. Alright, we can go on that, please.
Over there?
Yeah. Over there already?
Yeah.
We haven't got used to the cold yet? And Ramsey already
One stone there right this way. Too much things underwater so early. We're not even reach Wally go strength.
That's all full of stone.
Alright, we can go over this, so please. Why everybody's tired? I'm going by myself. Bye. When they feel this.
May I go over there?
You know there's stone under the door.
What is that?
FJ knows that's going under there. Oh my gosh, me I try me like this, me I try going, me I try go this one. Would somebody come with me? Alright, everybody have their enjoy moment. Me I go by myself because nobody not help me. Me alone. It's alright. I gotta figure it out. Either me have to climb up on a stone and go down and go up on it. Because nobody not help me. I'm dead, me willingly. Want to go on it like all jokes, all fun. Want to go on that.
Oh, baby, baby. Coming over to give you that raw.
I did. You standing, MJ?
Yeah.
Go stand a little further.
It's a lie! I'm not going further now. Oh, your mom?
No, not you, not you. This way, this way. Yeah, straight like that.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, we can try go over there.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, do it.
Go on, go over there.
I'm gonna go on this.
Stop!
Shit.
You! No, this is...
Ah, shit.
This way.
Me actually live on top of me too.
For real?
Oh my.
It doesn't get deeper than this.
Remember, you're gonna jump to me, okay? Yeah.
No, I thought turn.
No, it's a go, it's a go.
I'm just it's a go.
Is it for something? Is it like who can for something? Oh, no, I don't think so. I don't think it's for anything. No, it's not who can't do nothing because it's moving back and forth.
We can't do this side. Why everybody a go believe me?
How are you up there?
I see. Doing me. Poor doing me. Wanna turn, you know, please. Turn because we don't want to die. What is it? Yo, guys, this is. I don't have to use it. Guys, it's deadly. It's deadly.
Okay.
We need a moment. What? Why this?
I'm about to jump off. Wait, no,
Oh gosh, do I need? Alright, your turn, go on. Oh!
Oh, you gotta jump, you gotta jump.
No?
You gotta jump.
Well done.
Are you gonna get down?
Alright, ready? Steady.
Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump.
I'm not jump, you are jump. Military grab me and please give me a moment. Daddy, come and TS. Ah! Only the heck can come out. I'm not stressing me out.
My armband fell off.
Anybody else?
Pull it back over to you, please. Oh my God! You next, my girl. No, me next. Me not be last one standing. Literally nobody no funny. Angel, do not. If I me
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah, let me reach, thank God. Thanks to my rescue.
Bombastic side eye.
No matter how we're in the game, Optimus Prime.
Why can't I float all that white and broke up in her face?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We can't, my foot not touching ground right now, you know? I'm foot not touching ground.
On a brave brother, I can't do it. Your foot touch the ground?
No. What?
Ah! Tony, don't go down there.
That's your song.
My foot's not touching the ground.
My foot not touching the ground. My foot not touching the ground right now. So how we touch the ground over here?
Because you never did.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose?
Give me my bread.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone. Leave me alone, please leave me alone. Leave me alone, please leave me.
And you're like, what that's supposed to do? Make you know if it's swim, that fish solve some type of something. That just don't make can't just fling it. Eh? No fish swim. You can't swim? Swim, let me swim. Show me all fish swim. I'm not know fish swim. What you do first?
Yes, when you swim, you unlock the wide.
It's up for me and one cup. Or say scoop back your water as you go forward. Oh man, alright. Look, he said put me in one cup.
See the MP? No. Vivi's the most important person.
What's your name?
Vivi. No, Chris.
What's your name? Baby.
Baby.
Don't leave that Vivi. Under the sea.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post it. The party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I
Chris and just let go off from his strap. Alright, everybody gone up on the boat but me.
Sister, go on again. Sister. Okay. Go on again. We need a video. Sister, we need a video. Go on again. Are they say start from?
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
I'm tired of the film.
Ready, go!
Be a sister! Yo! Anyway, boss! Angel, ready? Bomba, this one a reverse.
How are you?
I'm getting fine, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Do it.
Take that one that's in me red jacket, no?
Eh? Me no know.
Who want them just get her red?
One more, you make the boy come alongside of you, that's it. Sister, go on and come now.
Yeah, come on. Come on, team. Judah turn. Oh my, could do anything.
Bomba, sister. Angel, one more.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Cheat the hardware. Cheat the hardware. Cheat the hardware. Ramsey, you see?
Alright guys, so we stop at Ocho if we go get patty for eat before we go home, and tell me why the patty shop is locked.
She about kill me.
And the time not even did late, but we go somewhere else go get something to eat though.
Thank God. I'm here good at luck, see me too.
Oh, them are locked so early, and not even...
When come, I cook along somewhere else. I'm hungry, I kill you if you stand up. When you come.
Remji take 16 years.
That's all Remji.
I should do that.
Oh, boy.
You can't see wait. Pull up my ear.
You look alright.
So
No, baby, if battery run down, that's why I turn off your light. No, sister.
Will you come on?
Yeah.
Where's the garbage?
Look, oh, look what my edges is gone.
I drink up a juice. Is that your chef or cook?
Stop coming over. But that's supposed to be some type of skills. You alone can do it.
Shut up, boy. You see what I'm looking.
I said, hold up, wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Ramji, eat your bone. Eat your bone. I need my bone.
Come here, son, hold in. I don't understand.
What time now?
Please, sister.
Go for food. Like, we can taste it. Scroll down the phone and let me see what time, baby. No worry. At 7:40.
Look for the boat.
Look like.
You would have just wiped coffee.
You get a napkin?
All the coffee.
I saw a boy that.
The napkin them done?
Mix it 12 on the floor.
Ramsey!
Yeah, make it specific. White people. Esau. Then just dumb in a natural way. Dumb in a natural way. If somebody run them down, they run, go. When them a pull the door, they chop a key. Take you up. Chop a key. Take you up.
All of us on the door.
We are kick down the door.
Right, we nobody want a key.
Alright. If they choose to hide behind this terrible hiding spot. I get him now. Decide to run and try and decide to run where you actually have to get or hide where you can't move or make it. I want them to run them and look back at them like idiot and go jump.
Ah, gosh. No, I just couldn't already nice stone. You don't feel the pain till it's done. What I said, when you're afraid,
one time I was swing off ball and lick my principal and I just see man run.
I wouldn't say
when the next day come he said grow on our place, run on park road so. He said grow on a jungle there Jamaica.
Good. Alright, so after I come from beach and everything, my phone did full, right? So I have to stop record because I have phone problem. I know nobody busy about that, but yeah. My phone did full.
Okay.
Then after I go get something to eat, we talk a little in my car and then reach home. Thank God for this beautiful day. Today was actually a nice day. Today was so nice. But this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment. Oh, look. I'm not saying my ear really tall, but my phone they're actually 2%. But this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribe, I don't know why you're not subscribed. This is Generation 5 TV News.